We have fished this area. Looks like I got the rest of that. Like the front of a stove. So right now, magnet fishing has kind of been a bust. Cause you see, ain't no water in anything. So we shall throw that over there. She'll throw that in there. Yeah, it would probably not be a wise idea to take a metal cross but I have never been one for the most genius ideas. I do want to know what this stupid thing is that I tried for. Just really old, rusted out. Do not know what it is, so we shall add it to the collection of crap. And for the third time being over here, like drunken pirate guy. Yeah. Yeah, that's not happening. But on a side note, I have a beer can. Well, we shall. Ooh, another beer can. I didn't see that earlier. Now I officially have 2 beer cans. So I shall take my beer cans and throw them in my collection over there.